What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Canva in order to remove objects or persons from pictures. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. So I'm gonna give you two examples, one of removing persons and other of removing objects from photos, okay? So let me use this picture right here, let me duplicate, remove, re-add, just like this. Seems okay. So here is the picture. I would like to remove these two chairs from the sea, so we can only have the view of the sea. So how to do this? Go to our Canva, click on the image, then click on Edit button on the image. Then into Magic Studio, you're gonna be able to find background remover, background generator, and magic eraser. Click on magic eraser. You can choose the brush size, okay, so all up to you according to the details that you would like to remove. Then you can auto select in the case that you wish, up to you, okay. We can click, nice, right? They already understand what should be removed, right? But I prefer the brush, okay? So select it. Then all I have to do is paint all the objects. I recommend that you remove the shadows as well, okay? Simple, right? Then after painting, you need to erase. Click into the button to erase. Wait a moment. So all has been erased. It's a little space right here. Let me just remove it. A little shadow just right here. Let's erase, and here is the result we got, okay? Seems perfect, right? Now let's do the same process with persons. So I would like to remove these two persons from the picture. So select the picture, click on Edit, Magic Eraser, foreground. So they are already selected for me what should be removed. You can click to remove in the case that you want. And we have text remover as well, but I'm gonna share this later. Let's erase. And here is the result we got. Simple, easy, and very effective. And in fact, this one does not look that well because the image isn't that well as well. But let's do a new one, okay? And now one with text. Let's search for an image with text. Banner. Maybe banner. Let's try to find something. Right here, here's a nice banner. We have the Sekai text right here. Let's choose. Let's use it, this one. Edit, Magic Eraser, text. Here is the text that I would like to remove. And we got this done. Not pretty well, but looks fancy. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!